So I hear y'all want to cook for Thanksgiving. Well, we're going to be making rice dressing, a classic Cajun dish for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. So let's brown our beef. Get a spatula, a metal one, where it breaks up the beef easier. Now it's time to add the rest of our meat. So let's add tasso, more tasso, and then time to add our liver. And very minced up, like very finely chopped up. Just get all that liver in there. Mix that around and then cook it, and we'll be back with you. Now, time to add our seasoning. Smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, Chachere, onion powder, and salt. Okay, let's mix it around. Time to add our vegetables. Onion and bell peppers. Stir. And cook until translucent. And we'll be back with you. So now let's add our rice. I added 1 cup right here. And these are heaping cups. Here's the second one. Third one. Fourth one. And fifth one. Now let's stir this. Stir it and add more rice to your liking, and we'll be back with you for the eating. And make sure you cook it a little longer too. Time for the taste test. We got it in a nice little bowl right here, and around and stuff. So let's taste test. That's good. You can really taste the liver, the beef, and the bell peppers, onion, green onion, and all that. Well, I did put green onions in it for garnish and stuff. And it's really good. And we're filming this video on the day of Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and have a lovely Thanksgiving. And like the bell, and like the like button. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! And around and stuff, so let's taste that. Dang it, y'all!
Probably we have to do it